Welcome to Learn with Venky. In this video, we will explain angular momentum in a simple way with real-world examples. By the end of this video, you will understand what angular momentum is and why it is important in physics. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum is the rotational equivalent of linear momentum. It describes how much motion an object has while spinning. The formula for angular momentum is L equals I times omega. Here, L is angular momentum. I is the moment of inertia, how mass is distributed. Omega is angular velocity, how fast it spins. Angular momentum depends on both how fast an object is rotating and how its mass is distributed around the axis of rotation. Real-life examples of angular momentum. A common example is a figure skater spinning on ice. When a skater stretches their arms out, they spin slowly because their mass is spread out. When they pull their arms in, they spin faster because their mass moves closer to the center. This happens because angular momentum must stay constant if no external force is acting. Since the moment of inertia decreases when the arms are pulled in, the skater's speed increases to maintain the same angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. One of the key principles of physics is the conservation of angular momentum. This means that if no external force is applied, the total angular momentum of a system remains constant. For an example, planets orbiting the Sun. The Earth keeps moving in orbit because of conserved angular momentum. When a planet moves closer to the Sun, its speed increases to maintain the same angular momentum. Conclusion. Angular momentum is an essential concept in physics that explains how objects spin and maintain their motion. It is used in space science, sports, and engineering. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Venky. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or want to learn about other physics topics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.